Okay, question 5. Question 5, if m equals 2n squared minus 4n plus 3, find the values of m for each of the following values of n. So I can just replace m and n with x and y. Okay, it doesn't really matter. So here, I'm going to say this is the, whoops, switch to a pen. That would be the n's, and this would be the m's. Or let's just write m, not ms. Okay, and I guess you could graph it, but we don't really know how to graph this yet. I haven't really learned it. So let's just substitute our equations. By the end of this unit, you should be able to know how to graph this pretty quickly. So let's go ahead and substitute our values. So find the value of m for each value of n. So when we write our equation, m equals 2n squared minus 4n plus 3. And we'll do it for a. N equals 0. So then m ends up being 2, 0 squared minus 4 times 0, which is 0, plus 3. Oops, let's write that nicely. So we end up getting 0 minus 0 plus 3, which ends up being equal to 3. Makes sense? So we have n and m equals 0, 3. So our number would be, if we graphed it, it'd be over there. So let's try it again. For B, we're going to do question B now. And the point of this is just to substitute our values. So at B, we have n equals 1, which means m is going to be equal to 2, 1 squared minus 4 times 1 plus 3. M equals 2 minus 4 plus 3, which is equal to m. 2 minus 4 is minus 2 plus 3 is, 2 minus 4 becomes minus 2 plus 3. What do I write like that? M equals 1. So we have our point, 1, 1. Odd. Let's look at C. What happens when n equals minus 2? Well, when n is minus 2, m is equal to 2 times minus 2 squared minus 4 times minus 2 plus 3. Oh, running out of space. M is equal to 2 times 4, because minus 2 squared. Minus 2 times minus 2 is positive 4. Plus 8 plus 3. M is equal to 8 plus 8 plus 3, which is equal to 16 plus 3, or 8 plus 8 is 16, plus 3 is 19. So we end up getting, at minus 2, we end up getting a point like that. It's kind of interesting. If we do 10 and minus 10, I mean, you just substitute our values. I'll do one more. I'll do 0. I don't want to do minus 10 because it's all the way out where we have all this writing here. So, and I don't know what the value is going to end up being. Or 10 is going to be out here somewhere. I don't even know where. We'll do the decimals this time, because a lot of you need help working on decimals, and I don't want you to skip it. Okay, 0.5, which is equal to half. So let's do that. Fix that. D, n equals 0.5 or 1 over 2. I'm going to use the fraction. So we got m equals 2 times 1 over 2 squared minus 4 times 1 over 2. Whoops. How are we going to write that? Okay, that's fine. Plus 3. We do it here. M equals 2 times 1 over 4 minus 4. Actually, let's just solve that. Yeah, if we cross that out, that becomes 1, that becomes 2. So we get minus 2 plus 3. And that becomes half plus 1. M equals basically 1.5, 3 over 2, or 1.5. Right? So when n, our point is half 3 over 2, or 0.5, whoops, 1.5. All right, let's try that. 0.5, 1.5. I think I made a mistake here. I think I made a mistake. 0.5. Maybe not. Yeah, it looks like a mistake. Just because I know how the graph is supposed to look. Let's pause it.